Hello everyone, this is GT coming to you from our 2016 Forza, and wanted to see if you had the same problem we did when we were coming back from Alaska. We didn't have any problem in Alaska, but coming back from Alaska through Iowa and Illinois, we had rough enough roads that the microwave would fly open, and then we would lose bread and things we had stored in it. So if you have that problem in yours, and pardon the mess in here, but we're cleaning up, getting ready to go on another trip. But if you have the Whirlpool microwave, and I haven't even looked at the model number, but if you have trouble with the door being easy to open, it's a chance that you could have the turntable fly out and break, which I've heard some people have. But I got to looking when I was at the factory at Winnebago to see what they were doing on the new ones that might prevent this problem, and lo and behold, they did have a situation with it, and they have created a fix. Now the fix is the same latch, as you can see up under here, that same type plastic latch. That's the male part sticking out, and this is the female part of the catch. They use that. It's a 10-pound model. I'll put the picture of the latch and the part number from Winnebago that you can order. Now the thing that you have to do is make a bracket, and you have to modify the door here just slightly. You will see that the two screws come up through the door from the bottom side, but that doesn't hurt anything because it's in this blank area, and it does contact the latch from underneath. When you shut it, it's a positive catch, adding 10 more pounds of force. And as you can see, the top does come open a little bit on their catches, but it doesn't move at the bottom. I'll try not to be too shaky, being that I've taken the GoPro out of the gimbal, but if you can see up under here, there is a piece of aluminum. It was right angle aluminum that I cut to fit that little channel right there, and it was a right angle piece that was about a 1/16 by half, and I trimmed it off with a saber saw. And then you'll see a spacer I made out of 3/16 steel flat bar, and it's 2.5 inches long. That piece that I made for it to fit on is 2.5 inches. We'll get a view of it from this side, if it'll work out, and from behind, so you can see how the screws come through the little catch there, or the latch. Alright, now that I can see, the screws come through the latch back here, and those are the ones that hold that little male part onto the angle bracket. And this piece, as I say, uses the existing screws to hold that flat bar on, and then you make a slight bend in the aluminum so it will angle the male part up to the catch, and therefore it will hold and fit right in there. And then you can mark the two screw holes in the catch on the bottom of the door and drill them in. Now I found these very small screws that are available most hardware stores. I'll have to get the dimensions of it. The screws I use to hold the latch onto the door are an 1/8 inch on the outside of the threads and 9/16 in length. So hopefully that'll help you stop your microwave door, or I should say convection oven too, from flying open while you're driving down the road, using the Winnebago latch and a little bit of ingenuity to make yourself a bracket and put it on there. Now Winnebago uses a little spacer between their latch and the door, and theirs looks like that it possibly is a piece of thin plexiglass that's glued on. I decided to drill this and put the 2 screws in to make a more positive latch mechanism, and I don't think that'll hurt it.